Coming up, with smart technology comes a really smart keyboard, Adaptxt. Please welcome KeyPoint Technologies lead product manager Naveen Durga here at CTA Super Mobility Week 2014.
You're watching YBL TV.
Naveen, how can different verticals, doctors, lawyers, any industry, how can they effortlessly communicate with Adaptxt? It's intuitive, predictive. This is cool technology. Tell us more.
Users use a lot of different jargon language, and in that aspect, doctors, lawyers, they have these complicated terms that usually you and I don't usually text using that, right? So you have these big medical terms, big lawyer terms, which are quite big and complicated. So what Adaptxt does is it offers these various vertical dictionaries for these professionals. They can download these dictionaries with Adaptxt and use them. Users can easily input these complicated terms, so doctors or lawyers, like with a few keystrokes or maybe just a couple of letters into the word, and we start giving the word that they're looking for, like a more medical term, like a more arbitrary term. One of the biggest peeves for iPhone users for a long time was autocorrection, right? You get silly autocorrections. So you press space and you get autocorrected instantly right there. Also, if I wanted to type a word, say Iron Man, right? And usually that would get autocorrected, but in case I need it, so the way Adaptxt lets you does is it lets you dismiss the autocorrection at once. We're trying to make them type more using less effort, so less keystrokes. I input more text.
You've got Open Adaptxt. How about your Adaptxt SDK?
So Open Adaptxt is our open source prediction engine that that's available for people to use. But that's a scaled down version of our main core engine, right? But our main Adaptxt SDK is more robust. You know, it offers more, supports more languages, and that's the aspect that we use and license most often.
How does Adaptxt integrate with Facebook and Twitter? This is really exciting.
Right, so the current Adaptxt version that you can find on Play Store, it easily works with Facebook in the sense that it tries to learn how you type, how you communicate with your peers, with your friends. And so it has this huge learning ability, right? So it tries to essentially learn how you type. So when I start typing next on Facebook or Twitter, the suggestions are more personalized to you, right? The way you type.
Partnerships. How about LG Electronics? Congratulations.
Thanks so much. That was a great deal for us. We've been working with LG for a bit, and it was really nice that it finally came through. So yeah, and it's apart from LG, we also have a few other top tier 1 OEMs that we work in Southeast Asia.